If your Inkscape extensions are not working, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem fast. Whether your extensions are missing, not showing up, or just refusing to run, the issue is often caused by the wrong folder path, a bad cache, or a corrupted preferences file. And the good news is, you can fix all of that yourself without reinstalling Inkscape. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to make sure your extensions are installed in the correct directory. Open Inkscape, then go to Edit, Preferences, and then System. In the System settings, look for the User Extensions field. Next to it, click the folder icon to open the exact location Inkscape is using. This is important because if your files are in the wrong folder, Inkscape will never detect them properly. In many cases, the correct path is something like c:\users/admin/appdata/roaming/Inkscape/extensions. If your extensions are stored somewhere else, move them into this folder so Inkscape can find them. Once that's done, close and reopen Inkscape to check whether the extensions appear. If they still don't work, the next thing to do is clear the extension manager cache. This cache can store old or broken extension data, which sometimes causes Inkscape to keep loading outdated information even after you've fixed the files. To do this, open File Explorer and go to c:\users/admin/local/Inkscape/Inkscape-extension-manager/cache. Inside that folder, delete all of the files you see there. Don't worry, this is safe because you are only clearing temporary cached data. After deleting the cache, launch Inkscape again and see if the extension behavior improves. If the problem is still happening, the third fix is to reset the preferences file. Sometimes a corrupted preference setting can stop the extensions menu from refreshing correctly or prevent scripts from running the way they should. To reset it, go to %appdata%\Inkscape. In that folder, find the file called preferences.xml. Instead of deleting it, rename it to preferences.xml.old. Renaming it keeps a backup just in case you want to restore it later, but it also forces Inkscape to create a fresh new preferences file the next time it starts. This is one of the most effective fixes when extensions are acting strange, not loading, or not responding at all. After renaming the file, restart Inkscape and test your extensions again. In most cases, one of these three steps will solve the issue. The extensions are now in the correct folder, the stale cache has been cleared, and the preferences have been reset so Inkscape can rebuild everything cleanly. If you followed along and your extensions are working now, that's great news. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more Inkscape fixes and software guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Inkscape problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.